Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, documenting my Mexican beach home renovation. Today was a fairly full day. We just left, and we have a lot that they did today. Let me show you. So that aluminum door was installed today. Plus, I got couple more, and this sidewalk area. This they can't walk on yet. Over to here in front of our casita. And then this part they did a couple of days ago, so it's walkable and able to walk from the casita to the laundry room to that's the stairs of the main house, all without being on any sand. Now over here by the pool, this is finally walkable here. And I told you last video about this pipe was too high for them to concrete this area. But a plumber and electrician were here today, so they worked on that a bit. They stuck in our second aluminum door. This is for the steam room equipment. And this is the steam room, which I've shown before. We have little lights here. This is the only one that works so far. And we have in the steam room. And these two are going to be for the equipment and an outside light right over there. This part right here has nothing to do with the steam room. This is the pool light system. There's actually a little remote, but we can't turn them on yet because there's no water in the pool quite yet at all. And so we got that area, and we just needed them to do this. And then the other aluminum door they stuck on a pump house today. It's where all the pool pump equipment is and everything. We have all that pool stuff ready. They're just having to plug the equipment in and everything. So let me show you that real quick. Here is the door. Here's our aluminum door now on our little pool house. It's going to be sound insulated, so you don't have to listen to it from either the pool or the house, especially, or the palapa if people like to stay in during the morning. And I think my last video showed off the morning, and it was really windy. Well, unusual for the morning. This is a late afternoon, and it's a little bit calmer. This is actually pretty typical of the Gulf of Mexico here in Yucatan, Mexico. Pretty nice. Not a place to go surfing, so no surfing really here at all. But so that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment, a positive comment, or a question about doing a Mexican home renovation. It is different, and we're almost done. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, of course. You'll see more videos like this, and hit that bell notification. You will get notified when I come out with new videos. Plus, there is a weekly newsletter. You want to know about more expat stuff? Go over to expatrebel.com/newsletter, and you'll get an email every Saturday with the latest to this channel and some other articles and videos about other things expat related. So go over to expatrebel.com/newsletter. See you guys next time. Bye.